In this video, we'll show you how to connect ZF DCI to your vehicle. The ZF DCI, new diagnostic communication interface, replaces the WAPCO Diagnostic Interface 2 and the ZF DPA06, former Testman. The smart adapter enables the use of cables from both legacy devices. The ZF DCI is available as a standalone device or in accessory cases with cables and connectors. Both options can be purchased online on the customer center or via your distributor. Select a cable compatible with your vehicle to connect ZF DCI to your vehicle's diagnostic port. Use the USB cable from the DCI set to connect the ZF DCI to your laptop. The upper LED shows connection to ZF Pro Diagnostics Suite. The bottom LED shows connection to the vehicle. A steady green light means your connection is successful. To pair the ZF DCI with ZF Pro Diagnostics Suite, open the suite, click on Manage VCI, and select the available device. You're now ready to run diagnostics with ZF Scan.